Now, good morning, children. Welcome to our class, Amma. Next, in your previous class, you learned two-digit numbers multiplications. Now, let's see three-digit numbers multiplications, Amma. How to multiply by three numbers? First, you are multiplying by first number. What is your problem, Amma? 996 into 458. 458. So, in 458. You first multiply with ones. In ones, which number is there? 8. So you are multiply by first 8. This 8 total multiply by these three numbers. Okay. Now tell me, children, see 8 table. 8 6 are 48. How much amma? 8 6 are 48. You know 48. Yeah, this 8 is right here. 4 is a carry over to tens. Write in this here, or you should write here. Next, this 4 is carry over to tens because in 48, 8 is the ones. So you write in this here ones. Now 4 is the tens. So you carry over to tens. This 4 is tens. So you carry over to tens like this. Now next, or another method in 48. 8 is the first number, 4 is the second number. You kept in your mind first number always keep down. Put down or keep down. Okay? Always first number put down. Now second number carry over. That is the one. And another one in 48. 8 is the ones. So 8 is keep down and 4 is carry over. 4 is the tens. So tens is carry over to tens. Like that. Okay? Now next. Oh, this is over. Next, what is the next amma? Next, 8 nines are. How much till children? So tell me 8 nines are 72. Yes. Now 8 nines are 72. Yes, 8 nines are 72 plus this 4 carry. You are adding this carry to this number. 8 nines are 72 plus 4. How much amma? Count it. 72 after 4. 72 adding here, not removing. Here what is this? You are adding. 8 9 72 plus 4. 72, 73, 74, 75, 76. You get how much amma? 76. And again in 76, 6 is the keep down. 7 is the carry over to hundreds. First number always keep down, second number always carry. Okay, this is easy method. Now tens is over. Next coming for hundreds. Now 8 9 72. How much am I? 8 9 72 plus you are adding 7. 72 after how much you are adding? Here 7 is there. So you are adding how much am I? 7. 8 9 72 plus 7. So 72 after count it. 72 after 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78. These are 7 numbers. Yes. So 72 after you counting 7. 72 after 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. You get how much amma? 79. Here any numbers are there? No. So you write here. Total number, no carry, 79. Okay. Now is ones over there. So in ones place you put 0 because this ones is over. Already you multiply by ones. So you put in ones 0. Now next coming from tens you multiply this number total by tens. Now first you starting from ones. 5 6 30. In 30 yes 0 is put down. 3 is a carry over. Okay. Now next 5 nines are 45. How much more? 5 nines are 45 plus 3. Here carry is there. So you are adding this carry. Don't forget this carry. Don't forget this carry because you are adding this carry. You get answer is correct. Other you can't add this. You get answer is wrong. So you kept in mind always carry adding. Add చేసుకోవాలి carry. So again 5 nines are 45. 45 plus 3. 45 after how much amma? You adding this carry 3 kada? So 45 after 46, 47 and 48. You get 48. In 48 you cross that. After adding you cross it. Okay. In 48, yeah, it is keep down and 4 is again carry over. Okay. Now next. Again 5 nines are 45. 45 plus 4. 5 nines are 45 plus 4. You are adding this 4 to 45. 45 after 46, 47, 48 and 49. You get how much amma? You are adding that, so you cross it. 49. So you should write this as 49. Here any numbers is there? No numbers. So that no carry. So that is right here 49. Here any number is there? You carry again 4. But here no numbers. So you should write him down 49. Now ones is over. So you put 0 in ones place. Again tens you multiply with the tens also over. So again you put 0 in tens. Can you understand? Don't forget this. This is kept in your mind. So first one you multiply with ones. Okay, ones is over. So you put 0 in ones place. Now next here tens is you multiply with the tens is over. So you put 0 in ones place. You put 0 in tens place because these two multiplications is over. So these two places you put 0. Now next coming from hundreds, you multiply by hundreds this total number. Now 4 6 are, tell me children, 4 6 are 24. In 24, now 4 is keep down, 2 is a carry over. Again 2 is a carry. Now 4 nines are 36. 4 nines are 36 plus 2. Here 2 carries there. So 4 nines are 36 plus 2. 36 after 37 and 38. You get how much amma? 38. You cut this. After adding you cut it. You get how much? 38. In 38 again 8 is keep down. 3 is a carry over. Okay. Listen carefully amma. This is a simple multiplication. Don't fear. You following easy methods. You solve easily. Okay. Now 6 is over. You multiply with 6 over and 9 over. Next again 9. 4 nines are 36. Now 36 plus 3. 36 plus 3. 36 after 37, 38 and 39. You get how much amma? 39. Here any numbers are there? No. So you should write here down 39. So after multiplication you are adding these 3 numbers. After multiplication you are adding these 3 numbers. Now first you are adding this. Always adding comes from ones place. Okay. Now 8 plus 0 8. Again 8 plus 0 8. Now here put 8. Now next 6 plus 0 6. Again 6 plus 0 6. You get 6. This 6 put here. Now next coming from here hundreds place 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8 how much amma? 9 after 8. Count it 9 after 8. First this 8 is shown your fingers. This 8 is. So you are counting 9 after nunchi count chain. You are starting from 9 after. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. You get 17. These two numbers you are adding. You get 17. Again here one number is there. This is also adding. 9 plus 8, 17. 17 plus 4. 17 plus 4. 17 after count it amma. 17 after what comes? 17 after 18, 19, 20 and 21. Again you get two numbers. 29 kada. Yes. In 29 this one is a keep down This 2 is a carry over here, like this. Again 2 carry, because in a first always keep down, second number always carry over. Okay. ఈజీగా అలా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. 1s ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తుంది, 100s డోంట్ ఫియర్, అంటే అది మీకు అర్థం కాకుంటే ఇలా ఈజీగా కెప్ట్ ఇన్ యువర్ మైండ్. ఫస్ట్ నెంబర్ ఆల్వేస్ కీప్ డౌన్, సెకండ్ నెంబర్ ఆల్వేస్ క్యారీ ఓవర్. దట్ ఈస్ ద మెథడ్. నౌ add this 4. Now next again 7 plus 9 count cheyanamma. You will do and tell me. 7 plus 9 16. Yes, count chesi cheppandi. 7 plus 9 you get 16. Again 16 you adding 2 numbers. Sorry, again 16 you add 8. 16 after you counting 8. 16 after 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Again here 2 carries there, so that 2 also you adding. 24 plus 2, 24 after 25 and 26. So you get again 2 numbers, 26. In 26, 6 is a keep down, 2 is a carry over. Now next 2 plus 4, 2 plus 4, 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 9, 9 after 6 count cheskonamma. 9 after 6, 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So you get 15. Again 15 you get 2 numbers, 5. First is keep down, second number is a carry over. Now 1 plus 3 you get 4. So what is your answer? How much you get, amma? Once read this number: ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 and lakhs. So 4 lakhs 56,168. Now coming from this problem, okay, you can understand this. You will do this problem homework. Okay, now you do this homework. ఇది అర్థమైతే చేస్తారు. You can't understand this problem, you can't do this problem. So listen carefully, this 3 numbers multiplication. We'll do this only single problem homework. No. Thank you.